You have your shiny new Huawei P20lite. Well, the next step would be to get it protected. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I will be looking at the anti-burst case. Let's take a closer look. This is the front of the box. Very cool packaging. Looking at the back of the case, you see its listed features. You can pause and read it. Let's get this opened. If you have not seen my unboxing of the P20lite, I recommend you watch that first and then come back to this. First impressions of the case feels good. The corners are reinforced, which is great and increases the drop protection. There are cutouts for the camera and fingerprint reader. Installation for the case is simple. Insert the phone with its button side into the case and push it in. This case is a dust magnet. Testing the buttons and it feels great. It is very clicky and responsive. There are tiny feet which do raise the phone when placing the phone face down. This is a cool little feature. The corners are very well protected. Taking a closer look at the ports, you have decent cutouts for the headphone jack, USB, mic, and speaker ports. The buttons work perfect as needed. All in all, I really like this case. I can look past its fingerprint magnet craziness, just as the phone itself, as the case has a very good feel to it. The buttons are responsive and the cutouts are decent. Shout out to Tess for letting me unbox this case for her phone. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe and let me know in the comments below. What is your preferred brand of cell phone accessories?